What's up, people? Just want to give a quick shout out. Shout out to all the people trying to make money. How you doing today, YouTube? I know what you're here trying to do. But I just want to come at you for a quick minute here. What's your dreams? What's your desires? What are you about? What do you want to do? It's time to take that opportunity you've been looking at and go on and make it happen. I'm excited about today, you know. I'm excited about living. I'm excited about having an opportunity to do something to make the quality of my life and my family's life a little bit better today. So if you got that same feeling, if you're feeling that same way, come on today. Join Kirkland today. And a great opportunity. A life-changing opportunity. An opportunity where you can make your dreams come true. All you got to do is hit the link below for more information. I got you, man. I got your back. I'll be with you there throughout the whole process. You can always call on me. So if you're feeling the same way I'm feeling today, if you're excited about being excited today, hit the link below for more information. Don't let this pass you by. Don't just let this be another where I just said, I coulda, shoulda, and I woulda. Because you know, I coulda, shoulda, and I woulda ain't never did a thing. You know what I'm talking about. So come on in. I'm looking for you today. Hey, and you be blessed today. Peace. Join Kirkland. Okay, now.